Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax online. First, select a reputable tax software that fits your situation, whether it's a free option or a paid service. Next, collect all your income statements, deduction records, and other financial documents. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Familiarize yourself with key forms like your W-2 and any 1099s you received, as these are crucial for accurate reporting. Now, let's organize your information. Make sure you have every W-2 from employers and all 1099 forms for other income sources. Carefully consider if itemizing deductions, like mortgage interest or medical expenses, benefits you more than taking the standard deduction. This choice can significantly impact your tax outcome. Always report every source of income, no matter how small, to ensure compliance. Before you hit submit, a thorough review is essential. Go through every section of your return to confirm all numbers and personal details are absolutely correct. Mistakes can cause delays or penalties. Carefully examine your calculated refund or the amount you owe. Once you are confident everything is accurate, electronically sign your return and submit it through the software. You'll usually receive a confirmation email shortly after. After successfully filing, remember to save copies of your complete return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years. This is vital for your records and any future inquiries. If you're expecting a refund, you can easily track its status online using tools provided by the tax authorities. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.